is what I wore this week. On Mondays, I don't like to spend too much time getting ready because I'm not a very productive person at the start of the week. So I try to get to work as soon as I can, but I also want to be comfortable and ease my way into the week. So I wore my H&M mom jeans with my gray Uniqlo sweater. I wear these sweaters so much that I already have to debubble it. I love this combination because this sweater is warm and cozy and the jeans are super comfortable, and I think it makes my body look great and that boosts my confidence. I find this super important when I need to get things done because even though I work from home and no one is going to see me, I notice that what I am wearing has a huge effect on my productivity and my mood. I try to elevate the look a little bit with my gold chain and small hoops. For my hair, I did messy waves, but I decided that I didn't want to wear any makeup today, so I just curled my lashes and added some lip balm. Tuesday I had a shoot, so I wore an all black outfit, which is usually what I wear as a makeup artist. I still like to play with textures like these faux leather trousers and wore a black crew neck t-shirt with my medium hoops. Because I know I have to carry my kit and be on my feet all day, I wore my Nike trainers. I know they are not the most stylish, but on these days, comfort wins over fashion. I don't want my feet and my back hurting more than necessary by the end of the day. On days like these, I always keep my makeup really natural. I want something that makes me look put together, but I don't want anyone to be especially aware of it or do something that requires attention during the day. That's why I keep my products very minimum and always stick to what I already know that works for me. I put my hair up in a messy ponytail to keep it out of my face for the day. Wednesday was filming day, so I chose a very comfortable outfit. I started with a white bodysuit. I love that this bodysuit has some details to make it a little bit more interesting, and paired it with my Uniqlo jersey pants. And I kept my accessories very simple with my angle hoops. Because I was filming, I also wanted to keep my makeup super natural for today. I left my hair with my natural texture that I've been loving since I cut my bangs. For my shoes, I wore my Stan Smith, and that was it. It was a very comfortable stay-at-home outfit. Thursday is the day when I usually get more things done. There is something about the pressure of the week ending that makes me more productive, so I like to encourage myself even more with my outfits to feel more confident. So I wore again my H&M mom jeans, but this time I wore a white crew neck t-shirt. These are my favorite basic t-shirts. I have lately stopped wearing too much print and I'm more into solid basic colors, and the Uniqlo t-shirts are by far the best fabric and shape for me at the moment. I added my mango navy blazer, which is my power item at the moment, and a delicate gold necklace with medium hoops. I wore my hair in a ponytail, and for my makeup I wore a red lip that you guys loved on Instagram. I call Fridays a me day. Usually is when I have a little bit more fun with my outfits and I try to wear looks that boost my self-confidence and make me feel sexy or cool. So I wore this white sweater and this very old skirt that I recently found again in my closet. I also wore these fleece leggings that have been my most recent discovery and I am obsessed. They keep me super warm, but they look like regular tights. I wore my tall boots, and these are also a bit old, but I haven't worn them more than twice. So I have been rediscovering a lot of things in my own closet. I wanted to keep my accessories and makeup very minimal because the key item for this look is the trench coat, and it's really what makes it feel so cool for me and pulls everything together.